So something went majorly wrong. Not sure what. He built this layer, and then he started to do the spiral. I think I need to reorient him when he starts to do that spiral. The spiral needs to happen from the same place as this guy starts. So I'll have end, so spiral L W H 2. Have I got an X there? Shouldn't that be a 1? Oh, right. I did this up here. That's alright. So he goes there, he does the spiral. That should be fine, but he needs to return from wherever he was back to this starting position in between the spirals. So actually, let's include that in the spiral code, so he will always return to that position. Actually, no, that's bad. Let's not do that. So here I need him to go. I need to have some loops that will get him back according to the length and the width. So let's see, where will he end up? He'll go around and then he'll start the spiral. Stop there. Oh, I've lost my train of thought already. Let's just break it up. So it goes around here. And ends up right here. So to do that, he'll need to go, to get back, he'll need to turn around. Wait, what way does he end up? I think he ends up this way, so I'll have him turn around. He needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn right 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, so 4 is... Okay, so I've got to work this out, number 4 out in terms of length. So length is 9, so it needs to go back 4. So 9 divided by 2, that'll give me a decimal, won't it? Will it? I don't even know. I'm just gonna lure x equals 9, y equals 2. I could just say 9 divided by 2, oh well. Y equals 9 divided by 2, print y. Yeah, 4.5, okay. So I need that to be rounded. If L divided by modulus L modulus 2, why do I keep doing that? Modulus 2 equals, doesn't equal 0, 0, then it will, I know, oh well, I knew that was going to happen, but I'm just thinking it through. If L divided by 2 doesn't equal 0, then take 0.5. I think that should be fine. If length I need a new variable, I'll call it y2. Okay, so if length divided by 2, I'm just thinking this through really slowly just so I get it right, then if, I would say if not, because that's easier, L modulus 2 equals 0, then end. Actually no, then y2 equals L divided by 2. Else y2 equals L divided by 2. Now I'll do it in new line just so it doesn't get messed up. Equals y2 take 0.5. Because dividing by 2 it won't give you anything but 0.5 extra, and I want it to go down, not up. And so then I'll say for I equals 1 to y2. Actually no, I want to change this to L2. Because y2 is, y isn't, yeah, there's no reason for it to be y2. It's a silly idea. L2. Alright, for I equals 1 to L2, do turtle dot forward and turtle dot turn right. If I've got to write the same thing for w divided by modulus 2 equals 0, then w2 equals w divided by 2, else w2 equals L divided by 2, w2 equals w2 take 0.5, and for I equals 1 to w2, do turtle dot forward take 1 because I need to go that extra little, I need to stop that little bit earlier. Turtle dot forward and turtle dot turn right. Alright, let's test that. I don't know if he needs to be turned right twice before he does this, but he may or may not, so let me just say do the build roof function to start off with. WH. So the turtle needs to, yeah, that's fine if it's here. Room, wait, CD disk. Room. Oh, right. Ha. So if he builds roof, he will do it here. Yeah, I think that should work fine. CD disk. Room 991. And make sure he's got materials. Yeah, I thought that happened. See, he needs to start here, not where he was. I might as well put it up a bit too, to the right spot. Right, so he's there. Wait, does the build roof function have... Okay, so he should start here. And he'll go down to there. Oops. No, don't do that. Okay, let's get the disk out. And materials. Not dirt. Because he will throw that on the ground. Alright, room 991. First he'll check that there's nothing in his way. So let's put some stuff in his way. Oh no, there is some stuff, so I guess he'll work it out if there is. Looks like it's working well so far. Perfect. He's just making sure he can build the roof with no hindrance. Is really what he's doing. Oh, He's not ending up in the place that I thought he would be. Crap. 194. Oops. But he ends up here instead. I'm going to make sure I've got a whole layer of stuff and then run that again. Just to make sure he does get everything, because I think something went wrong there. Like so, and let's run that again. Enter. So you should do the spiral as intended. Hopefully. But I'm going to watch it to make sure nothing goes wrong. Yep, first bit looks good. Oh, he went to an extra one. Which is going to ruin the whole thing. Alright, so let's... On the last one he needs to do... Yeah, that makes sense in my head. Surprised I didn't pick it up earlier. So in the spiral, this is the spiral, and the last one on the first, he goes too far. So I need L take 2, width take 3, and he goes into it, so I need L take 3. No, it should be L take 2. I'm going to change it to take 3. Yeah, it seems like it should be right. CD disk, room, (991). Just put some more blocks there for good measure. Oops. Looks like he went the right distance there. Now he's doing the same loop. I think something may have gone wrong. I'm not 100% sure. No, it looks like he's going to do it right. Looks like he'll be facing the right direction too, which is good. Oop, I had him turn right twice. He should turn right and stop there. Yes! Oh no, it still works either way. He just does it from the other side, doesn't he? Let's see if I ruined anything by changing the spiral function. Hopefully not. Oh, looks like everything's good so far. Let's see if he builds the roof properly. And I'm actually almost finished this program, which is awesome. I think, I'm not sure. This is going to be a massive episode, many parts to it. Sorry for the guys that don't like this series, but hopefully you're all enjoying it still, after the last 2 episodes. And then he'll break because he's not doing the right thing. Yeah, then he'll start building another room. Anyway, so let me... I'm just thinking here. I think I'm going to tackle the next part of the code, and that is making sure the whole room below it is hollow. Because if I want to start the program underground, yeah, I want to be able to do that and have it do it properly. So let me try it. Actually, when he actually, while thinking about it, I need to make sure that at the end of the build layer he digs up before he goes up, otherwise he won't go up and ruin everything. So build layer. Does he go up at the start? At what stage does he go up? Or does he go up in the main code? That might be it. Wow, 230 lines. I'm impressed. Yep, so turtle.dig up. Just in case. Yeah, because if I do it underground, then he wouldn't be able to do what he had before. So now, after he's built the roof, he needs to go down and check every layer is clear. I'm going to make a new function for that. Put it up here. And, okay. So function holo. I'm just going to call it that. And so spiral. Okay, so he ends up. Actually, first I'm going to edit this code right here and make him not turn right twice. What stage? Or maybe I need to make him turn right twice. Okay, so spiral if else, then the for loop. Yeah, I need to make him turn right twice before he does this. So turtle.turn right, turtle.turn right. Okay, that's all good. And he should end up once he's finished building the roof. Let's say the roof's here. I mean, yeah, he clears out. Okay, the roof's on this layer, so he clears out this layer above it, and then he goes to here, and he builds the roof, and then I need to make him return to here. So basically, I'm going to need to rejig some stuff here because I want to rewrite this if statement inside of a function, because otherwise I'm just going to have to retype it a whole bunch of times. So function return spiral end, and I'm going to copy this code and make sure I'm passing everything right, and I'll be back. Alright, I think I got this sorted here. I've copied this down to here, and oops, I need to make this guy receive LW1H, and I think it's all good. So every time I do the return spiral, it will, yes, I need to pass it LWH each time. So I've got spiral, and I've got return spiral, then I've got spiral again, and I'll put return spiral LWH at the end, and now I can go to the hollowing function, which will, okay, so it'll end up there. I want him to go, oh, this is going to be an issue. Okay, we'll try our best. Turtle.forward, turtle.dig down, turtle.down, turtle.dig down, turtle.down, select material, turtle.place up. So now he's just broken the hole in the roof, gone down into the layer below the roof and put the roof back. Now he needs to do spiral LWH3 because a normal spiral will not work unless, actually maybe it will, LWH, let's pass it 2. Okay. Ooh, this is going to be interesting. Let's try it. Save. Daytime, please. And I need to put the hello function at the very bottom. Hello LWH. It'll build the roof and then it'll start the hello function. Yes, that should be good. Alright, so let us just build a new house here. And I'll do a smaller house too. You go there, like so, and cd disk room 5 by 5 by 2. Why did it do that at the start? What's it doing? Ah, I see. So good. Oh, phew. I was worried there. I just had build roof at the start here, but it looked like it was working properly, which is cool. Yeah, that's good. Let's run him again. Whoopsie. Stone. Five by 5 by 2 room. Let's also put a whole heap of stuff in his way. So he's room 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. I think I did this wrong. Okay, that should be the layer below the roof. Wait, unless that is the roof. Crap. 2 might not have been a good value. Let's fill these both in. Yes, so now he'll build the lay here. And that means this will be the roof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should start the build roof function. Oh no, he has to clear the spiral to make sure he can do the build roof. Oh. Did I send him... Or is he building another one higher? I think he's building another one higher. Because he is supposed to. I knew something was going wacky. Wait, not this layer. Because, yeah, I get it now. He'll build a corner floor. Like this bottom layer would be the ground. So that's okay. So now he just do the build roof. So first he has to make sure he's got room. Actually, I could have done that a lot easier. And then he'll actually build the roof. Let's make sure we can see into what he's doing. Now he should go down into the roof. Return. Good. Forward, he should go down to here. Fix up, patch up the roof again, and attempt to perform arithmetic sub on nil number. Crap. 98. Wow. I've had a lot of problem with that number. Probably didn't pass him the variables correctly. I think it's because I'm missing an X. Returns. No, I'm looking in the wrong function. Oh, does he need a... Oh, yeah, he doesn't have LWH here. Yes, okay. I'm going to go down here. Oops, up here I mean. Just type in hello LWH and move the disk. Room 551. Now this is... Yeah, he'll dig out the walls as well, which is not what we want. Oh no, is it? Is it? Did he dig out the walls? I'm not sure. Okay, now I can stop him. Oops. That's not stone. Daytime, please. Okay. So he dug out this area. I think he might have done it correctly. Oh no, he went one too far. He needs to dig out this area. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to get a whole new computer set up, and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to run the program from the start. I go 6 by 6 by 3. That sounds like a good number. I'll be back. What is he doing? You crazy little turtle. Why'd you do that? Did I not delete the hole at the start? I mustn't have. Yeah. That was some weird behaviour though. I didn't expect that from Hollow. Let me patch up again. Silly guy. CD disk. Room 663. Go, turtle, go! I'll be back. So while that turtle's going, it's working well so far, of course. Oops, I want something in my hotbar. I'm gonna put, so it's about to build a wall at this level, so I'm gonna put a heap of cobble there to make sure the hollow function works. Because that's still what I'm testing. I just need a new location, because these places are getting messy. That's funny. Alright. Cover this up, and hopefully that'll work. Oh no, that's the roof. Now he won't actually build much of a roof. Okay. So he's making sure he can clear everything out. Yeah, I thought that might happen. I knew there'd be something wrong with the code. Dang it. So my math of where he ends up in the center of the spiral doesn't work with even numbers. I think it would work with odd numbers. So how can I make it work with even numbers? Because there is no center. And then he'll return to a completely different spot, which will be above my computer, which I... oh no, it won't be. Alright, stop it. Let's try and work out how we can do this. It's hard to tell. He'll always end up at the same spot, won't he? Oh, it depends. Imagine if it's not a square as well. He can end up anywhere with a spiral. it'll be somewhere within one block of the center, but it won't always be the center. I could use GPS, but I don't have to make a GPS satellite whenever I want to build a room. I wonder if it'll work as long as it's odd numbers, but if the dimensions are iffy. Let me try that. More stone. So let me go cd disk room 5 by 9 by 4. 4 will actually make it 3 high inside, which is what I was supposed to do last time. Anyway, I'll be back. Coming to the close, let's do this layer. Like that. And let's see where the turtle ends up in the spiral. Looks like the spiral is actually working, which is awesome. Interesting. Oh, it came back to the right spot. Oh my goodness, it worked. Oh, I'm happy. Let's see if he does this properly. Actually, it doesn't look like he will. Because he'll... Oh no, that's good. Let's see what happens. He returns, and then he goes down, and now is the experiment time. I'm not sure about. Yeah, okay, that's what I expected. Because what's wrong with the spiral function is it does the outside layer, and I need to make it not always do the outside layer. And he started the block more forward than he usually would also, so there's a few things wrong with the hollow function and the spiral function at the same time, which is an issue. Right, so this is so cool. It built a notch square room, odd numbers. Yeah, I'm happy. Okay, so let me try and work out this spiral function thingy. So what I'm thinking is I might have to put another if statement into the spiral function and make him say h. Okay, so if h equals 1, then if h doesn't equal 1, yes, if h if not h equal 1, then do this. But if it doesn't, if h isn't equal to 1, it won't do that. Else I need it to do only this. If h equals 1, I want it to do only this. But I still want it to do this, even if if h doesn't equal 1, I want it to do both. If h equals 1, I want it to do only this. I might have to copy and paste that code. That might be an issue. I mean, it is an issue. Why am I using h? That is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Let's use y. I don't know why I had h in my mind. H for hollowing, I guess. So if not, I need him to do both. So I'll take out this else. Wait, I need to find the right spot to cut it. Yes, yeah. else, and then need to copy and paste from here up to here, because I don't want to do the first lap. Okay, yes, alright, I'm going to try and do that.